Hi guys, it's Xiaomi guy, and what I want to show you today is how to run Google Pay on your Xiaomi smartphone when you have your bootloader unlocked and if you're using root like Magisk on your phone, alright? So I've been doing this for myself, just struggling to get this. Now there is a script that solves this, at least for me, and I hope that this can do the job for you. So you might know that when unlocking your bootloader, you're kind of exposing your phone to risk. It's considered to be not so secure anymore, and maybe you're also using root access. So as you can imagine, there are a lot of applications, especially like the banking one or financial one like Google Pay and etc., like Velian, that are not really digging the fact that you are gaining admin access to your phone. And they're not running, right? You could have problems with your corporate mailbox detecting that your phone is rooted, so it's not like compliant. And of course, there are some other things that need to be considered. But today's video is about Google Pay, right? So luckily, there is a patch out there made by David Ramiro. I mean, David is a very nice guy, so really respect you, David. It's called the GPay GMS patch. And let's save our time, so directly open my Chrome, guys, there. Alright, you have to just type GPay GMS patch, and actually it's the first result already appearing here. So you're opening this. I'm clicking now on simplified view, and one notice, guys, you might have noticed already that I'm using 99% my phone and my phones to record and edit the videos. Alright, so this is kind of like my philosophy. I don't want to use PC, at least for now. So these videos and even that one, I'm shooting directly on my phone, and later on I'm recording, I'm editing, and etc., uploading everything from the phone. But going back to the GPay GMS, so in case your phone runs with a unlocked bootloader, there is a very high chance that you are already using a custom ROM. Alright, so what is the reason for you to unlock your ROM if not really flashing some custom ROMs like AOSP, the Pixel Experience, whatever, or using Xiaomi.eu like I'm using, or whatever else, right? And if you have unlocked your bootloader, then there is very high chance that also you're using Magisk. Okay, so the thing is that Google Pay will be very frowny if it discovers that your phone runs on a unlocked bootloader, or if you have Magisk, and then it will not run, right? So that's really what is going to happen. And this guy David has created a script that kind of hides all the Android services from Magisk, so that at the end Google Pay will just not understand that it's running on a rooted phone. Okay, why do you want to root your phone? It's another story, but at the end of the day, I just want to focus here on this script. This is 100% proven to work on Android Pie. Now, a very important command, guys. If you're running Android Q, right, and you want to perform this fix, it will not work. I think I lost like 8 hours, trying to figure this out by myself. So if you want to have Android Q like I do, you have to install first Android Pie, fix Google Pay, make sure that it works, and only after that upgrade to Android Q. Okay, but okay, first thing first. So here, what you can see here in the usage is just a simple step that you need to perform for this script to do the work for you. And the first point here of obfuscate Magisk Manager package string in Magisk settings. So that's something very easy, important. When you have the Magisk Manager installed, if you press here and you go to the settings, then usually here you'll have an option called Hide Magisk Manager. I've done this already, that's why here you can see that I can now restore the original package. But what it actually does is that it hides or changes the name of the Magisk Manager package, so that the other applications, even like Google Pay and others, are not noticing that Magisk Manager and Magisk is installed. Okay, so that's the first point. The second point is, I think, where the magic happens, and this is the SH script on its own. So let's go there, download. Okay, yeah, download it. Boom, I think the script is already downloaded. Now what I'm going to do, because I think I have the script twice, I'm just going to make sure that if I go to my download folder, I can see the script. I'm going to rename it, because apparently it believes I think I have already downloaded this before. So to make this flawless, I just want to use the original name. So let me do this. You will not need to do this if you didn't download the script before, or if you're downloading it for the first time. Okay, so this is the original name of the script, and I want to stick to that. Okay, so now we have downloaded the script. Then the second command is open your terminal emulator or use ADB shell and navigate to the script. Usually it's in your download folder. Okay, so what I'm doing here for that, okay, you can go to Play Store, and I'm using Termix as the terminal emulator. So if you just type Termix, then you can download it. Okay, Termix, in my case it's already there, so I open that one. I'm typing then SU to get the super user access. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm then going to CD SD card. Okay, now I'm already in my SD card folder. Then I'm going CD download. Okay, then boom, now I'm in my download folder. Then I'm just listing it, and where it is, okay, it's GPay GMS batch SE. Okay, it's here. All right. So now going back to the second step here, we need now to make the script executable, and this happens by using the chmod command. Okay, so what you need to do is just go, and even you can copy and paste this command there. Okay, you'll not notice anything happening, but now the script is getting permission set to 755, which means that it can be executed. And then guys, the second and last thing is just execute the script, and this happens just by typing sh and then the name of the script. Now I'm just copy pasting it, that's very easy. So doing this, okay, like this, boom, pressing enter, and then you see here, we're root, let's go. Okay, you have the option to only push the database, and that's what happens here is that the script will download an SQLite 3 database for you, or you can do setup Magisk hide and patch. Now please notice that on my phone I have already done this, but I'm doing this now specifically again for you. So I'm pressing point 2, and now boom, you can see Magisk hide is enabled. Okay, so all these Google services now are being hidden with Magisk so that Google Pay will not notice them. The SQLite binary is present, so I have it. In your case, it's gonna get downloaded. The script is stopping Google Play, it's setting the default permission, it's exiting the database, setting the database as read-only, and that's it. Then even, if you want to be relaxed, you just press put reboot, boom, press enter, and then your phone is going to be rebooted. At the end of the day, guys, this should fix everything with Google Pay on Android Pie, or it should fix at least many of the problems that you might encounter if you, like me, have an unlocked bootloader and have run Magisk. Now, if you open Magisk here and just go to Magisk Hide, this is of course after you reboot the phone, you're gonna see a lot of the services that actually are hidden, and this is actually what the script has done, guys. All right. So I just hope that this video is going to be very helpful for you. I'm going to put all the links into the description below. I hope that you like the video, and if you happen to like the video, please subscribe to my channel, spread the word. I really am keen to make videos like this, and again, all the kudos go to David Ramiro, who has created this fantastic script. So David, I think if you are looking to this video, I think you deserve at least 2 beers from me. So take care, guys. Bye. Xiaomi guy.